This is Nicholas Stadden with Monrovia. Today we're going to talk about care and overwintering for azaleas. Azaleas are beautiful plants and some of them need a little bit of care and protection in the winter time. We're going to show you how. If you're in a colder area of the United States, probably put them on the sheltered side of the house. Ease back on the watering. And then mulching. You can use a bark mulch, maybe put a couple of inches over the top of the roots. A nice mulch which has got some acidic soil in there. Cocoa coir, peat moss. And really easy way to cover your azaleas is with burlap, and you just basically cover the plant with the burlap. This is called frost cloth, and with frost cloth you just literally lay it over the azaleas, and I can guarantee you this will keep the frost off them. In the morning when the temperature warms up, you just go out there and you roll the frost cloth back like so. Let the plants enjoy the sunlight. So the last method is a tried and true practice in Europe. We hammer stakes into the ground, and then what we do is we put burlap between the two stakes. This side will be completely protected. This side is where the cold air and the wind is coming from. You can also use our fiber blanket, and this fiber blanket will keep your azaleas as warm and toasty as if they are in bed with you.